What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Now, I just came back from my mailroom, and there was a couple of packages down there, but one in particular stood out, and that is this one right here. Y'all already know the vibes. Today, we gonna do a Hat Club unbox. All right, let's try something a little different this time around. Instead of putting the music, we're gonna do a little unboxing ASMR. And of course, as always, y'all get the first look. What's in there? All right, so we got the Hat Club tissue paper and some cards on top. Let's start with the cards. All right, so let's start with this card right here. It says, keep yourself covered on your next trip with the great outdoors, Parks Pack. From your friends at Hat Club, Davey. Shout out to Davey, always appreciate the love. And then there's a brochure. So I thought this was another card, but it's actually a brochure, kind of like the ones that you would get if you were going to like a national or a big park. They usually have brochures. So there's Hot Valley, the Woods, the Arizona Icon. These are the names of the parks, or the collections, I should say. And Wicked Big Pahk. I guess that's supposed to be a play on how the Boston accent, Wicked Big Pahk. I left the car at Harvard's yard. I left the car at Harvard's yard. That's probably terrible. I know I'm pissing some of y'all off, so I'm gonna stop. Smoldering Island. Yeah, great outdoors, parks. All right, y'all see the vibes. I like it. All right, before we get into the hat, there is a little bit of something else in here. And what is this? It's like a compass, flashlight. Is that a flashlight? Yes, I think it is. I think I just have to pull out this tab here. And then boom. It's a flashlight, so like a mini flashlight, compass, wrist device. That's kind of dope. How do I unlatch this? Give me a second. I'm gonna figure it out. What is this? All right, so there's some other parts on here. This looks like maybe a mini knife or something. I don't know. I'm not one with nature like that. Is this a whistle? Oh, yes, it's a whistle. How do I get it to unlatch? You know what? I don't need to figure out how to unlatch it because it actually just fits. It fits just like that. That's fine. I'll figure out how to unlatch it later. But there is something else in here. Let's see. What is this? I don't know what these little devices are. Down below in the comment section, you know, if you're a outdoorsy type person, what is this? What is that? All right, so granted, I don't know what all the pieces do and all the features of this thing. I still think it's pretty cool. There's a compass, flashlight, a whistle, you know, some other doohickeys on here. Still very cool. Hat Club, A1 packaging as usual. I always like seeing what Hat Club is gonna include in these packages. It's always a surprise. And yeah, this is pretty dope. But we on to the main event, and that is this hat right here. So this is one of the Big Wicked Pahks, which I believe dropped today on hatclub.com. It was Big Wicked Pahk and Smoldering Islands that released today. So definitely go check out the website, see what's still available. If you are from Strong Island, if you're from New York, if you're from Queens, sound off in the comment section. I definitely want to hear from y'all. And if you're from Boston, sound off as well. So this is actually one of the 2 Boston Red Sox hats available in the Big Wicked Pahk colorway. You see the olive green on the crown, brown top bill, brown button on top. The Boston Red Sox B right there on the center. It's like a royal blue on the inside, lighter blue for the outline. Fenway Park 100 years side patch. You have both of those blues in there, the lighter one, and you can see the darker one on the socks. It's like a brown kind of color behind the 100 years. Flat baddie on the back of this one, tan in the middle, royal blue on this side, and some light blue in that corner over there. Tonal New Era flag, and I believe this is ocean blue for the UV. Black guts, as y'all can see, and this hat is made in China. Here's what the crown shape is looking like, and there is a pin on there that I'm gonna take off so I can show it to y'all a little bit better. So this one is specific to the Big Wicked Pahk hats. Y'all can see it has like a gray and silver colorway to it. There's a lighthouse in one corner, I believe that is. I think that's some clouds in the other. There's a 22 in the bottom corner, I believe representing the year. And it says HC 92 because Hat Club was founded in 92. So pretty clean pin. And again, there are 5 pins to go with the 5 different colorways of the hat. So I have my steamer heating up right now. I'm gonna steam the hat, curve the hat, and show y'all what it looks like on. 2 things while we wait for that. I really like the dotted outline that they did around the Boston Red Sox front logo. You already have that solid light blue outline, but the third outline, the dotted one, it just adds a little bit of razzle dazzle. It's something different. I don't know if they do that, very often, but it's a good look for sure. And of course, the colorway, that olive green with the brown, perfect for summertime, right on time. I like colors, but going into fall, you definitely need darker tones. So this is perfect. All right, so I'm back. I steamed the hat, curved the hat, and here we are. It is looking good in my opinion. The blue accents, I have to say, the blue on the front logo and the ocean blue UV work really well with the colorway, the olive green and the brown top bill. I went ahead and I threw the Hat Club license plate pin on the side because that's where I like it. It's a good looking hat. I might actually rock this tomorrow while I'm out. So if I do and I put together a fit, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can keep up with that. But yeah, this is dope. I like this. Like I said, fall vibes for sure, but that is the season that's approaching, so it is right on time. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Let me know what you picked up, and of course, I do have my Hat Club affiliate link in the description and the pinned comment, so if you pick something up, use my link. It helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. I normally give y'all a top 3 from collections, but since this collection is pretty big, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a top 5. The first one, off rip, is gonna be that Smoldering Islands Mets. That hat is clean. I said it in the beginning, but Long Island, New York, Queens, sound off in the comment section because that hat is cold. Number 2 is going to be the Los Angeles Dodgers and the Hot Valley colorway. It's the one with the 40th anniversary side patch. Y'all know I love that side patch, so that is number 2. Number 3 is going to be the Oakland A's, the Woods colorway. I really, really like Oakland A's hats with the Battle of the Bay side patch, and that one is clean. If you've been waiting on brown hats, especially like I said for fall coming up, now's the chance. Number 4 is going to be the Diamondbacks from the Arizona Icons colorway. That colorway is just fire. Like, regardless of what team you pick up, the colorway is nice. The purple, red with the peach UV, that colorway is very, very clean. And number 5, but in no particular order, is going to be the Boston Red Sox Big Wicket Pahk, the Fenway Park 100-year side patch. This hat is clean. Really glad that I got to see it in hand. Happy to have it. Shout out to Hat Club once again. I always appreciate the love. And of course, it means that I'm able to show y'all hats in hand that you might be on the fence about. So if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.